Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. Now that we've covered the basics, let's explore how aerodynamic wheels really improve performance, handling, and efficiency in 2025 cars. Material selection. What a wheel is made of impacts more than just its weight. Different materials bring unique benefits and, in some cases, trade-offs to aerodynamic wheel construction. Carbon fiber. Known for its ultra-lightweight properties, carbon fiber also delivers excellent strength. Its rigidity keeps wheels from flexing at high speeds, preserving aerodynamic performance. On the downside, it comes with a hefty price tag, which limits its use to high-end or performance cars. Magnesium. Even lighter than aluminum with comparable strength, magnesium wheels are another option. But they can be less resistant to corrosion and may require special treatment for durability. Advanced composites. Emerging technologies in material science are introducing composites that blend the best features of aluminum, carbon fiber, and even graphene. These materials offer superior strength-to-weight ratios, improved durability, and enhanced corrosion resistance. As these materials become more cost-effective, they are likely to see broader adoption across different vehicle segments. Choosing the right material involves juggling cost, efficiency, and performance. For 2025 cars, advanced composites and alloys are leading the way, striking a balance between innovation and practicality. The combination of shape, size, and material transforms aerodynamic wheels into a powerhouse of performance and efficiency. These aren't just design features, they're functional elements that redefine how modern vehicles interact with the air around them. Real-world applications of aerodynamic wheels. Aerodynamic wheel designs aren't just theoretical concepts, they're shaping the performance of modern vehicles. From the racetrack to electric highways, these innovations offer tangible benefits. Whether enhancing speed or boosting efficiency, they prove that even small changes can have a big impact. Case study: high-performance sports cars. When it comes to sports cars, every fraction of a second counts. To slice through the air and maximize speed, manufacturers are leveraging aerodynamic wheels as a key component in their designs. But how exactly do they transform performance? Drag reduction. Aerodynamic wheels cut down on air resistance, allowing cars to glide more efficiently. For example, the Porsche 911 Turbo S uses carefully engineered wheels with slim spokes and flat profiles. These features help reduce drag at high speeds, giving the car a noticeable edge on the track. Improved stability. Sports cars often corner at high speeds, making downforce crucial. Aerodynamic wheels help channel air in a way that enhances grip and stability. The McLaren P1, for instance, combines its advanced wheel design with active aerodynamics to stick to the road like glue. Weight savings. Many performance wheels are made from lightweight materials like carbon fiber or magnesium. This not only improves acceleration but also reduces unsprung mass, enhancing handling and responsiveness. Additionally, racing teams are now employing custom 3D printed wheel components, allowing for precise aerodynamic tweaks based on real-time performance data. This bespoke approach to wheel design helps squeeze out every possible advantage on the track. Case study: electric and hybrid vehicles. Electric and hybrid vehicles have their own set of priorities, efficiency and range. In this arena, aerodynamic wheel designs play a vital role in squeezing every mile out of a battery or gallon of fuel. Let's break it down. Extended range. Reducing air resistance directly impacts an EV's range. Take the Tesla Model 3, for example. Its aero wheels are designed with smooth surfaces and minimal drag. This small tweak can add up to 10 more miles of range, crucial for long drives. Optimized energy use. Electric cars rely on efficient energy consumption to stay competitive. By smoothing airflow, aerodynamic wheels reduce the workload on the motor, allowing for more efficient performance. The Hyundai Ioniq 5's wheel design offers a great example, seamlessly blending form with function. Temperature management. EVs often face issues with overheating during long trips. Some aerodynamic wheels incorporate cooling channels, which guide airflow to brake systems or battery components. This keeps the car running smoothly and safely under heavy use. Hybrid vehicles, like the Toyota Prius, also benefit significantly. With a focus on fuel economy, their aerodynamic wheels minimize drag and enhance overall efficiency. It's all about getting the most out of every drop of energy, making these vehicles ideal for eco-conscious drivers. In both performance and efficiency-focused cars, aerodynamic wheels are more than a design choice, they're a necessity. Whether you're chasing lap times or extra miles, these designs are paving the way for smarter, slicker vehicles. Aerodynamic wheel designs are more than a trend. They're reshaping how cars perform, save energy, and stay efficient. By reducing drag, improving stability, and incorporating advanced materials, these wheels set a new standard for 2025 vehicles. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.